Today, we're gonna go on an adventure. And by adventure, I mean, I'm gonna go into the woods and die. Sticks are good for sustenance when you're out in the woods. Oh, God. Ugh. Cook them first. And here, we have golf ball. Used last week by a man, age 23, Caucasian. He didn't win. Found another golf ball. Female. 21. Also Caucasian. It's an elusive find. I'll cherish this forever. I hate golf.
What did he find? What has this
Uncharted 4.
For PS4?
Yeah.
Nice. That's a remnant. No!
I'm going to get sick.
A remnant of a previous civilization. There have been others here, thousands of years ago, and they played Uncharted 4. There was a cat.
I don't know what this is. I think it's a plant. Can't be too certain though.
And he sees something. He heard something. Oh! What did he... What could it be? Oh, there he goes! Oh, there he goes so fast. Look at the little fast boy. Oh, he's precious. Oh, an adorable little man. Oh, you see something else? What
It's a bird.
Is a bird?
Yeah.
Just a bird?
Yeah. Let's have a fire.
I think
This is what I found. I found a fire that was already here, so which means there was a camp of
There's some sort
foxes.
of civilization here. Yeah. Some sort of bears or foxes have created.
Bears.
I'm glad we have an expert. I, however, think that this shape, the general appearance of this fire pile, is very reminiscent of raccoons.
No, it's bears. I licked it.
Well,
It's bears. I licked it. It's bears. Look at that little boy. Look at him. Would you like to be a friend? Would you like to be a friend? Hello, sir. Oh, you peed on me, I think. This is an African wild frog.
found here in the
Woods of Africa.
where we are. We're in Africa right now.
Oh, he dropped. Oh, he dropped. I don't think I'm ever gonna go in the woods again. Because I think I got some sort of poisoning because I ate all that stuff. And my leg hurts. But not that anybody wants to know that or anything. I quit. I spent 30 days out here filming this. I miss my swimming pool.
Yeah, this is real nature. Real nature, baby. Don't even look at all the stuff that isn't nature, because it's real nature. It's real. The grass is wet. The grass is wet on my shoes. This is what. This is what.